My name is Sara from Emammy Group of Schools, Utawala campus, and today is Valentine's Day. It's a day to show that you love and care for your friends. Here in Emammy Group of Schools, we make sure to celebrate Valentine as one that we will never forget. As a new branch of Emammy Group of Schools, we commit ourselves to making more and more memories together. As a school with a vision, we pray that there is peace and love in your families as you celebrate Valentine's Day. From Emammy Group of Schools, Utawala campus. Thank you.